Brussels sprouts? Yuck. Alright guys, Brussels sprout stalks. Again, we're going to make a bowl this time. So if you can't tell already, I'm not a big fan of Brussels sprouts, but at least there is something good that can come of them. So I found this at Trader Joe's. Now the stuff that I got sent to me originally was already dried out, and it was just the stalks. And I got to be honest, this stuff looks exactly like cholla cactus. It's a little bit stringier material, but once it's dried out, it's almost indistinguishable between cholla cactus and Brussels sprout stalks. So, but I was at Trader Joe's the other day, and I actually found this is what these things look like in their native form. So I'm guessing once you hack off all the Brussels sprouts, throw them away, and then dry out the stalk, you get this. So I'm going to try that out. I'm going to try and dry this stuff out. I guess my wife wants the Brussels sprouts. I will not be partaking in that. But today's project is going to be a bowl. So I already did this on the live stream quite a while ago, and I finally got around to editing the video. So I hope you guys enjoy this project. It's really, really cool, the things that you can make with this stuff. So overall, I'm super excited about this thing. It turned out really cool. I like how it's kind of simple. There's not a lot going on with it. It's just 4 pieces of Brussels sprout stalk. And I was really careful to not overdo it with the pearly powders and the interference powders. But I love having that little bit of interference powder in there. When you move it around in the light, the colors pop out in addition to the pearl. And it's just really cool. So pretty cool project, interesting material to use. If you grow or even buy Brussels sprout stalks, you can do something with those stalks after you've cut them down. It's pretty cool, and it looks, like I said, just like cholla cactus. So I also made a couple of bowl blanks similar. I made one that's exactly like this, and I made one other one that is up for sale. I thought, I do these videos a lot of times, and I don't really ever have a blank or anything like that if somebody wants to turn one but not make one. Somebody that's not really set up for casting, maybe. So that'll be available on my website. It'll be up here on the screen, a link to that. Like I said, one that's very similar to this one, just the 4 pieces, and then another one with 4 pieces and different colors. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this project. If this is your first time on my channel, we do all kinds of different resin casting projects, tips and tricks, and experiments around here. Similar to this one, we did experimenting with Brussels sprout stalks this time, and it worked out pretty good. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, definitely hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little notification bell down in the corner. Also, if you're thinking about getting into resin casting, want to make some projects like this, check out my new ebook, The Beginner's Guide to Resin Casting. It answers all those beginner questions like, what do I need to get started? Where do I begin? That kind of stuff. What can I do with resin? It'll help you kind of get over that initial learning curve so you can get started casting quicker. So it's available on my website if you're interested in that. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.